Okay, so this is the 23rd of October, and this is day 4 of me journaling my trades. Looking at the 1 minute chart on the Nasdaq, looking to play into a swing that bounced off the 50 EMA back up to the highs and a continuation of that. Didn't work out, bought the top as usual. But looking at it again now, I can see that in actual fact we were making lower highs, lower lows. You know, I was hoping to get a continuation of the overall uptrend, but on the 1 minute chart it is obviously a lot choppier. Stop wasn't really in an ideal place. I think ideally the stop would have had to have gone below the bottom. But it would have just been way too big of a stop, way too big. So yeah, that was a loss on that trade of $229.50. So not a good start. Okay, so second trade of the day, looking at the 1 minute chart of gold. I cut out most of this video because it just became absolutely chop central the second I got into it. My entry became resistance and I became so close to being stopped out that I just lost all faith, and I was like, right, as soon as this gets back to break even, I'm getting out of it. Whatever, it doesn't even matter, we'll go again on the next trade. And the second I got out of it, that was the pump. That was when it started to go. And let me tell you, it didn't just go to the top of the previous high. It went. It absolutely flew. So yeah, wasn't an easy watch. So this was the last trade of the day. Gold, 1 minute chart, targeting the 100 EMA, that red line up there at the top. I had an absolute balls up. It didn't actually go. It didn't hit my take profit properly. So I didn't get out of the trade, and it started to pull back a little bit. So I was like, right, you got to get out of it because it will just go back and stop you out. So I went to click out of it and I clicked the wrong button. I actually closed the take profit order rather than closing the trade out. So yeah, I did get out of it for a $49 profit, which is, yeah, not great. But that means I'm down $171.50 on the day. So not good, but we go again.